Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going out with Celine and Zinny out to the pigs and to the horses. Celine said she has a little surprise for the horses. I don't know what it is, but she will show us in this video and I will update you about the pigs. Celine is riding today. I don't know which horse. Which horse are you riding today?
Patchy.
Patchy. The one with the
Spotted one.
The spotted one? Okay, Celine promised me that she will talk a little bit more today and she's explaining a little bit more about the horses. Yeah, she is. Okay, let's go over to the daily routine. Pigs need some food and water. Cindy's coming with the sled. We'll be bringing the food and water to the pigs, and after that we are going to the horses. Hello. You have a nice dad. Hmm? So are you guys? Yeah? Huh? Yeah. And you're the one who's very nice? Huh? Okay, let me feed the pigs and see you in a bit. Will you give me one more bucket of the one more scoop of grain? Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. All right. she looks pregnant. But we can see that in 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. Because pigs need this long to get piglets. Okay, but the other pigs are all good. And we can go back to the horses. So yeah, like I said, Selene is doing horses today and she picked Patchy for riding. We're doing the water a little bit later, then Patchy can drink some as well. Yeah, Jill and Judy. Oh, this is what I mean. It's nothing bad with the snow on the back, but sometimes it's not easy to get it off. Because you're living in Alberta. What are you doing here? I was thinking you are staying with Zephyr. Oh, the snow off the horses. Other end too, Jill? Ooh. Was it good? Huh? Was it good? Oh, she got... Who's that? That's Zephyr. Here, see what kind of mess they're doing with all the hay. But I think it's a horse problem. They're doing this on the other end too. Hi, Zephyr. Huh? Come here. So the filly is going back to Zephyr, then he's not too alone. Up. Come here. Come this way. And this is Ivy. Ivy is the one we had about in the last videos. And here's our Zephyr, our oldest one. Is he the oldest one? I don't know. Yeah. He's getting a blanket if it's cold, but he's very warm. Yeah. So you have to stay here for a while, Miss Ivy. Huh? Hier, voor die houten. Alright, let's see what Selene is doing. Ivy, What is that? Yeah. What are you doing here, Celine? Is he in a good mood today?
No.
Are you in a good mood today?
No.
He doesn't want to work?
He does.
He does?
It's just cold.
It's just cold. That's okay, hey? Huh? Tomorrow it will be warm. Then tomorrow we just have a -5, I think. And I have a day off. Let's put Celine a bit in the saddle and maybe she's doing a video. Can you make a little video clip?
Only on my phone.
Only on your phone? Yeah. Don't forget that Celine is 15. She is our fourth professional in riding horses, doing horse stuff. And she is deciding what's going on here with his horses on the farm. Eh?
I got a paper cut.
And she got a paper cut. Yeah, like I said, she's 15. Okay, Celine is inviting you to a ride and go with her a little bit with both over the farm.
It's a fence. We're fine. Poopy pants. Stop complaining.
Still okay? Not that you're thinking I'm having a break. No, I'm watching horses. Yeah. Okay, we have a little break. Let her do her thing and move horses. Now she's getting to the real stuff. Okay. What is that, Celine?
A bareback pad.
A bareback pad?
Oh no, it's fur. There we go.
What are you doing with the bareback pad?
Not getting my butt cheeks dirty.
Not getting your butt cheeks dirty? Where do you get it from?
Christmas?
Whose Christmas?
My Christmas?
Your Christmas? Is it not Santa Claus?
It's my Christmas.
Okay. How do you go on it?
With your help.
Okay. Where can I put the camera?
Kannst du ihn mit einer Hand festhalten?
Ja. Let's go. Okay, I will finish up this video. This is a bareback pet, and she's saying she's using this now every time to keep her butt clean, because when you're sitting on the horse and you were riding before, this is a stinky decision you're doing, and your butt will be like sweaty, the sweat from the horse. And this is the reason she got this bareback pet. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. I don't know what's going on in the next video, but oh, today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to all of you, and if we don't see us, have a good week, and see you in the next video. Bye.